old Alabama gardener, and I'm talking about growing onions from all the way from seed. For all you gardeners in Zone 7 and probably the other warmer zones, it's not too late to plant some onion seeds. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how I grew some onion seeds from small white sets, just like these right here. You know, little white onion bulbs that you buy in the spring or in the fall. So then I grew the plants, let them go to seed, make their little seed pods. Harvested those seed pods, dried them out in the house here for a while, and then I kept them kind of in a storage. I didn't do a lot of preparation on them, but I did put them in a storage area until it was time to plant them. And then I planted them on 21st of January, which is about 10 days ago. Now, you know, onions takes 2 years to produce seeds. So that's why you're going to see me starting this video with clips that I made in 2016. So if you want to grow onions from small seeds, then you can plant them now for grown Zone 7 growers. And then you want to follow along as I do this, and I'm going to show you what I do. And I'll make updates as we go along with this so that you'll see the progress of growing from seed all the way to growing larger onions. Then later in the summer, I'll make what I call a start to finish video of what I'm doing now and how well they do during the summer growing season. And when you get to the end of this video, there's going to be something, there'll be little rectangular thumbnails, and they'll be about other videos that I have on growing onions. So click on one of those little thumbnails and it'll take you to that video so you can see what I did last year or probably even the year before that. Alright, so let's get on with this video. I've started this timeline and I'll add to it as we go through this video. I planted these little white bulbs or onion sets in the autumn of 2016. They stayed in the ground all winter, and then they began growing when it got springtime in 2017, and then later that summer they began to make seeds. The root end goes down and the pointy end goes up. Now they will grow if you just throw them in the trench, but it'll take them longer to start coming up if you don't set them the way I'm doing. Now I'm going to cover them with some compost, and then later I'll pull some of that dirt back into the trench. In the red circles, you see the bloom head of the onion stalk. The bloom head has many tiny little seed pods, and each little pod has 2, sometimes 3 seeds in it. These little black objects are the actual seeds. I am putting everything, little seed cases as well as a lot of seed in the pan, and the seed cases, they'll just decay and the seeds themselves will be sprouting. Now, what do I always say? Water it well and watch it grow. There are no drainage holes in this pan because I'm doing it inside the house. so you don't want to overwater it. Now, to help keep the soil moist, I'm going to put it into a plastic bag. I hear people talking about how hard it is to sprout onion seeds, but I think if you do it this way, you will have success. So you can see by our dates that it took us 6 days from the time we started the seeds to the time they're sprouting. So now it's time to start fertilizing. Because the little seedlings are very tender at this point, we're going to use a weak solution of fertilizer. I will be making updates to this as these seedlings grows, so you want to come back and see what goes on next.